How to change your age on Discord. Hey everybody, welcome back to our YouTube channel. In today's video, you will learn how you can change your age for your Discord account. So without any further delay, let us jump right into the process. Open up any of your web application and at the top search bar type in www.discord.com. You will get logged into its official website. Now here click on to support and tap on submit a request. Now under here select appeals and age update requests. As you do so, click on to how can we help you and here tap on appeal and action taken on my account or bot. On the second option, click on to an action taken on my account. Now at the subject, type in you would like to change your age and under description, type in your email address, your Discord username, and why would you like to change your age if it's by mistake or any other reason. If you have any file that you would like to attach, click on to add file and do so. Once you do all that, click on to submit, and all you have to do is wait for the Discord email to help you back. That wraps up today's tutorial. Thank you for watching the video till the very end. In case that helped you in any ways, then do like and subscribe. We will get back to you soon with more tutorials like this. In the meantime, stay updated.